Quick question for you. What is the most valuable currency that we have nowadays in this day and age? Okay, I'm gonna give you a little hint. It does not start with the letter B, and it definitely does not end with Bitcoin. Okay, it's not a Bitcoin, it's not a cryptocurrency. The most valuable currency that we have nowadays is attention. Okay, did you know that the attention span of an average internet user is about, I don't know, Google it, okay, very short, okay, couple of seconds. And that's why we as marketers, okay, we are basically fighting for the attention of a prospect. And therefore, in this video, I'm gonna give you 5 free, absolutely free tools that will help you save a lot of time, a lot of guessing, and that will give you the edge that will help you to get your prospects and turn them into a happy paying customers. Okay, so here's what we're gonna cover in this video. So for starters, I'm gonna give you an app that will make your writing bold and clear, okay? This is useful for composing engaging emails for your email campaigns, blog posts, etc., okay? Number 2, I'm gonna give you another app that will help you write killer headlines to make people click your shit. And that's right, I said the word shit, okay? So just relax. This is useful for email subject lines, YouTube video headlines, social media, blog articles, etc. Number 3, I'm gonna give you another app that will help you map out and visualize your sales funnel, okay? The journey from a prospect to a happy customer. Number 4, I'm gonna give you a website that will allow you to spy on rising ClickBank products, okay, for you that is affiliate marketer, that are hard to spot inside the ClickBank marketplace, but are on an upward trend. And number 5, the best for the last, is a website, absolutely killing website that will allow you to spy and reverse engineer successful affiliate offers and how you can model their sales funnel to ensure your success. And as a bonus, if you're just starting out with an affiliate marketing, online marketing in general, I'm gonna give you a solid resource where you can start a foundation to start your own proper online business in less than 15 days, okay? This resource I used myself, and that helped me to learn tremendous amounts of stuff about this whole online marketing game and to start my online business, okay? So that's only for the best ones who will stick till the end of this video, okay? So before we go to my computer, and I'll give you these 5 free tools that will help you stop guessing and accelerate your growth as an online marketer. Shameless plug. If you're new to this channel, first of all, welcome. I'll put out video every single week on tricks and tips and hacks on how to make money online, and so that you can be free and live your free laptop lifestyle, because I'm on that journey myself. So if you want to go with me, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell button so you don't miss out on any new content that I post every single week, and also smash that like button, because that is the algorithm hint for the YouTube to show this video to more awesome people like you, so they can find this content and free themselves as well. It's the only thing that I ask for in exchange for this free kind of information, okay? So are you ready? Let's jump to my computer and see the 5 free tools right now.
Alright, so the first application is called Hemingway. It's called HemingwayApp.com. I'm gonna leave all the links down in the description in this video, okay? So the first app is Hemingway. This is for writing, okay? As you can see, you can write a text, any type of text, and it will tell you by colors what is wrong or what can be bettered with your text. For example, the color blue, here you have all the explanations. For example, this color means that the sentences are very hard to read, okay? So this one, if you see a red highlight, blah, 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 it tells you that this sentence is very hard to read, okay? So you can have an idea that you can change it, you know, make it simpler and things like that. Color yellow, okay, this one, it says sentences hard to read as well, right? This color phrase has a simpler alternative. For example, this one, utilize. And if you click on it, hover over it, it will tell you it's complex, replace it or omit, okay? You can use instead of utilize, all right? And the color green, it's a passive voice, and if you hover over it, it tells you use active voice, okay? Phrases in green have been marked, or I have marked phrases in green. You know, you can just choose the active voice. And this color adverbs, if you hover over it, it will also give you a option to, you know, for example, here it says perhaps. So it tells you, be bold, don't hatch, okay? So don't say perhaps, just, you know, stay by your statement, okay? So that's the first application. You can write a text, for example, for your email or your blog article, and you can run it through this app, and it will tell you if the sentences are too complex, if you should use passive voice, or you know, choose simple word and things like that. Okay, so let's go to the next application. The next application, it's called Sharethrough. Okay, the website is headlines.sharethrough.com. Again, I will leave the links in the description. And it's basically for a headline, enticing headline, so people click on your shit, okay? Whether it's a subject line for your emails, headlines for your YouTube videos, and things like that. So for example, if I enter a headline, for example, learn how to start an online business in 15 days, okay? You will analyze, all right, and it will tell you the strength. Okay, so the headline quality score 72, above average. It tells you the strengths of the headline, right? Limited use of positive sentiment, strong use of context words, limited use of passive language, and the suggestions, right? They will also give you suggestions like talk about the body, use more alert words, like humans react strongly to words that makes us feel anxious, like afraid, scare, risk, alarm, and where is your brand in the headline, and things like that. So basically this is a very useful tool based on behavioral psychology, and as you can see, it's based on some multivariate linguistic algorithm built on the principles of behavior model theory, right? So it's pretty cool tool for using very enticing headlines that may provoke psychologically, subconsciously, somebody to click on that and then read your stuff, right? So that's another very useful application. Okay, move on. So the next application, it's called Funnelytics. Okay, again, it's app.funnelytics.io. Links in the description below. And this is basically a very useful tool for you to map out your sales funnel, so you have an idea about the journey of your prospect, where they will come from, what they will go through, all the way to the paying customer, right? So for example, here you can map out your sources of traffic. This is an example of organic traffic from YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, and Facebook. I'm gonna drive the traffic through my opt-in page, right? Landing page, which, by the way, if you are really starting out, you have no idea how to make simple landing pages, I'm gonna leave the video up here. You can watch it. Okay, it's very simple using that tool and free. Okay, so go ahead and watch it. And so they will go to opt-in page, where they will opt in for lead magnet, something for free in exchange for their email address. After the opt-in page, they will go to a thank you video page, bridge page, right, where there's going to be a video of you telling them more about the thing that they opted it for, and they will familiarize themselves with you and your face, which will make more psychologically the like, know, and trust factor, so that they will be more prone to click all the way to the offer. And from that bridge page, there will be a call to action, and then they will be redirected to the sales video of that affiliate offer. If obviously now we're speaking about the affiliate marketing, right? So, and obviously after they opted in, you can map out the email sequence for your email marketing, which, by the way, I have a free course, another video on my channel here, how to do email marketing. So you will map out your emails, and all the emails will be directing them with different angles, and all the way to the sales page, where somebody will eventually turn and convert into a paid customer, and they will be paying, and you will be receiving your commissions, right? So that's the Funnelytics. It's very easy to use. You can choose all these structures, like you can drag and drop, traffic sources, miscellaneous, and things like that. So you can map out all the sales funnel within this really useful app, and it's for free as well. Okay, so I hope you really like that. That can really help you. Obviously it has a paid version, also that very advanced stuff that you can also see the analytics and statistics about the percentages and conversions and things like that, if you want to map it out. But this free version is very, very advanced for you to just map out the whole process, right? So move on to the next page. And this one is very cool. Okay, this is a very useful tool. They don't charge. I'm not affiliate for this one. They don't charge anything. Okay, so if you sign up and make your account there, they have a little text saying that it's for free right now. So jump on it right now because it's a very good. It's called CB Snooper. Okay, it's for the ClickBank. Okay, ClickBank is the one of the largest affiliate marketplaces for all kinds of affiliate offers from different kind of categories. I have another video about affiliate marketing for beginners if you want to check it out, also in my channel here. There I explain how to choose a good product to offer, right? You can choose and filter out through Gravity and things like that. But however, there are some products that are just on an upward trend, right? And that means in ClickBank itself, you don't see that, right? You don't see that they are on an upward rise, you know, so it's hard to spot on. So that's why you can choose this website. And for example, here you have the dashboard and you have top ClickBank products, top rising products, and top falling products. Okay, so for example, on ClickBank, it's another thing. There you can see a product that has a very good gravity and everything looks good on ClickBank. However, right now, in actuality, the product or the offer is on downward, so that means that there is not so much traction. However, on the contrary, the top 5 rising products that are hard to spot on ClickBank through the gravity and the stats that ClickBank provides you, this tool helps you realize that, for example, these 5 are on an upward trend. And if you click on, I don't know, for example, BioFits, you can see overall rank gravity. As you can see, the gravity is on an upward trend, right? And the average earnings per sale, initial earnings per sale, and things like that. So this is a very useful tool to basically snoop out the rising products on ClickBank and jump on that right away, so that you can, you know, ride the wave of the new trending product on ClickBank, and that can really help you, you know, spike up your commissions and your earnings, right? So that leads me to the next one, which is the king, which will allow you not only to spy on the winning products, but also to reverse engineer the sales funnel of people who are driving the most traffic to it. Okay, so move on to the last and the best website. All right, for example, take a product from here, let's say top 5 ClickBank products. I'm gonna choose this CarboFix, right? So that's a product that is currently winning. So I'm gonna go to the next website, which is the last and the best website that can help you really jumpstart your affiliate business. It's called SimilarWeb. Okay, if you have not heard about it, now it's the good time to, you know, introduce you to this very good and useful tool, because you should be using that one. Because, for example, as I told you, I can take the website called the CarboFix, right? The CarboFix.com. I already did the investigation before this video, so I know that this is the name of their website, their CarboFix, and this website will give you all the data, right? So for example, you can say how many visits they have per month, but also if you want to later run paid advertising, these are the stats for you to know which country, which demographic is more interested in that type of product. So for example, as you can see, it's United States. So if you want to run paid advertising, you know that you should target United States, right? Then it gives you more data, like for example, referrals. This is basically other, okay, this is what I was talking about. These are other websites, okay, that are driving traffic to that, okay? So might be other affiliates, right? So for example, you can say that ClickBank accounts are driving traffic, but if you find a simple website of an affiliate, you can click on that website and you can see how, okay, this is the reverse engineer part. You can see how they have structured their funnel. You can see what is their opt-in page about, what text do they use, what imagery, okay, how simple it is, how it structures, what's the color of the button, you know. You can see how they are enticing people to exchange them. You can actually sign up for their funnel, okay? So you give them your email and you see what's the next step in the funnel. Where are they gonna redirect you, okay? So then you can, you can model off of that, okay? Not copy, but model off of that, because if you can see if they're driving a lot of traffic to it, that means that they're winning. So that means their funnel is working. So you can reverse engineer, and therefore you can use this referral stats. Okay, and further down, you can also see the search traffic. It's more than 70% organic, and you can see which social media the traffic is coming from. As you can see that for this particular offer, Facebook is winning. Okay, so you know that you should be promoting that on Facebook, YouTube, and I don't know what this one is for. Okay, so this is a very, very useful website. Another stats, display advertising is the one where this program is winning. Okay, and you can see also the audience interest, right? So these are the categories. Again, if you want to run paid advertising, you know what demographic to target, right? Finance, computers, electronics, health and nutrition, business and consumers. This is very, very, very useful website. As you can see, you can get a lot of insight from this spying on a particular affiliate offers, right? So these were the 5 tools. I hope that you enjoyed them. If you did, smash the like button for this video. Okay, check the other videos. If you're just starting out, I have videos on my channel on email marketing, affiliate marketing for beginners, how to create a landing page, opt-in page, how this all works. So check it out, feel free. Okay, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. And I almost forgot about the bonus, right? So if you stuck to this part, here's the bonus. Okay, I'm gonna leave a link in the description how you can learn affiliate marketing with less than 15 days. This is what's inside, right? High ticket freelance digital marketing business. So these are the days and what you will learn each day, right? So you can have a little quick briefing on what you were going to learn inside the 15-day online business challenge, right? So this is the number 1 secret to scaling a high ticket business. Day number 2, the core 4 high ticket business models online, and so on and so forth. Once you are inside, what is also going to happen here is this is the dashboard of each day. You're gonna have your video and you're gonna have your assignment, right? But also what is included is not only a Facebook group where there is all the support and like-minded people, but also you get your free bonus scripts and templates, and also you get your own one-on-one business plan call with an advisor to claim your bonuses. And also this is already inside the program included and for free, right? So that's pretty much awesome. It's like a training which will give you the foundation to start doing the things right, okay, the right way. So you can really stop making mistakes, stop guessing, stop double guessing, dabbling here and there. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description. As I always say, I'll see you next time, my friend. Go online and make it fucking happen, okay? So take care. Bye.